We're in the Mustang Mach 1 again, and this time it has the combination I want to try out. The 6-speed manual transmission and the handling pack. So what is the Mach 1? Well, it's the Coyote 5-liter with a bunch of performance pieces taken from the Shelby model. So we have the Tremec 6-speed manual, which is a much better manual transmission than the MT82. It's the one literally out of the Shelby GT350. We do have that Coyote 5-liter making 480 horsepower, and we have aero pieces from like the GT500, the rear wing back there, upgraded brakes, wheels, tires. This is running Michelin Cup 2s all around, 305s up front, 315s out back, bigger front splitter, more aggressive looking, everything. And on the inside, again, GT500 digital cluster, because this is newer than my Shelby GT350R. When this came out, I was really excited because to me, it seemed like it was the reincarnation of the Boss 302. My Boss 302 Laguna Seca was a Coyote Mustang GT base with some minor modifications to make it much more track focused. Then I got to drive one, and it was a non-handling pack, 10-speed automatic, and I was like, this is just like a Mustang GT. And I honestly was quite disappointed, especially coming from a 350R owner. Now, with the handling pack and the manual, we're at Road America. I've already taken it around for a couple laps and gotten to kind of feel it out, learned the track. This is my first time ever driving at Road America, so again, not going to push anything hard at all because there's no prizes to be won and only things to be lost. So going to try to enjoy the car, drive it. We'll talk about it a bit, go through this video. Helmet's got to go on. I got a camera on there, a GoPro for a point of view. Magnetic ride dampers, just like in the Shelby. So let's go mode up. We'll go into Sport Plus mode. Obviously, we're going to leave all the traction control stuff on like that. And this also has rev match downshifting. Coming on the pit lane. This is so much more fun with the manual transmission, I promise you. We'll do a lap around the track and then we'll pull off, and I want to get some like exterior walk around. I'll give you guys an interior tour. I did spend a whole week with the regular Mach 1 without the handling pack, so there's a comparison video, similarities and differences between this and the 350R. Got the green light to go. So let's hit the track. Got these cones here and like a chicane to slow us down for safety. When warmed up, Michelin Cup 2s are just the best. They just grip. Oh man. But then when it's rainy, they're not the best. Approaching the carousel. Okay. Now we'll see how much how much my courage will allow me to push this. This thing sounds good. Hit the rev limiter. It's actually really hard trying to talk and also drive at the same time. That's not a skill that I really have on a track. On the road, sure, yeah, that's what I do all day, but oh yes, I like this a lot. It's like my Shelby with the Coyote. That's what it feels like, just without the insane like screaming flat plane crank voodoo. Just a Coyote that doesn't rev out as high. I feel like it makes more torque down low. I was talking to some other guys and they think it's like the same as the 5.2 and the 5.0. Wow, yeah. This is what the Mach 1 is. Not that 10-speed auto non-handling pack one I drove. That one was just felt a lot more just like a Mustang GT with a sticker pack on it. This felt track capable, and short of the GT500 now, this I believe is the most track capable Mustang you can buy, because the performance pack is gone now, the PP level 2, as is the Bullet. So we now have the Mach 1 of the handling pack. Those Cup 2s, the Mag Ride, the Aero, all that stuff, the tuning adds up to make this very capable. You can only buy the handling pack with a manual, so you better get ready to pick up one with a manual transmission if you want the best track car possible. And this is so much better than the manual transmission and the older ones. The MT82 is a grouping of 2 letters and numbers that I personally just hate. All right, I'll go grab the other camera. We'll do some quick exterior interior walk around, but that's the point of view and the track drive with the new Mach 1. It's getting windy out here at Road America, but let's do an exterior walk around. This front end has grown on me. When the Mustang first refreshed, it looked like this. I thought it looked like a catfish, but with more aggressive front splitters here and the right color, we got kind of the fake fog lamp inserts, the circles in the actual front grille. It does look pretty good. This is the Mach 1 like branding package. So we've got Mach 1 decals here, this fighter jet gray paint, and the regular one just has a splitter that comes to this top level. The handling pack adds this whole other extra splitter, which just really does add to the aggression of this. And the upgraded wheels too for the handling pack with those orange Brembo brake calipers peeking out from behind. You'll see Cup 2 tires, big Mach 1 badging here on the side. The branding decals come along there too. And we've got the bigger rear wing here, straight from the GT500, which I think the regular GT350, like the 2019-2020 model years, also get this little additional flat back there, the little wicker bill thing. We got the Mach 1 lettering on the gloss black. This, as a Shelby 350 owner, I can tell you is impossible to keep clean. The big Mach 1 badge here. Pretty cool diffuser too, quad exhaust tips. The more updated of the tail lights. So the Mach 1 actually got that treatment, unlike the 350, which kept the older tail lights, which I believe you can swap them on. It sounds good. I mean, it's the Coyote, so a very, very different sound from the Voodoo flat plane crank. On the inside, you'll see the full digital cluster, Recaro bucket seats too. Mach 1 on the door sills there. Take a quick look under the hood. See this? The hood also has this venting with this honeycomb pattern. Oh, this hood is heavy. Here we go. Underneath it's a Coyote, and it's got Mach 1 under the strut brace. So, yeah, that's that. Full digital cluster, a cue ball shifter, the toggles here. Ooh, look at that animation. That's cool. Regular Mach 1 also had that. On the inside, fairly similar. You can change your drive modes, and it changes your tachometer display too. So if I go to Sport, woo, it does that. And then track actually is another level up, which I was driving in Sport Plus just to make sure I had some electronic safeties for me too. Everything else is same Mustang interior. So Mach 1 plaque right there too. That was fantastic. I've done, I think, 3 or 4 laps around Road America now in the Mustang Mach 1. Being a Mustang person, I like it. I like when I have a fun to drive Mustang, and that's why I have a 350R, right? I love that car. This, I'm happy to say, around the track is very, very capable. It actually sounds pretty good too. Lower red line, not the same crazy hard edge like scream of the Voodoo, the 350s, but the handling pack is what makes the Mach 1 the Mach 1 to me. I'll be honest, I was disappointed with the regular Mach 1. I don't know if those videos have posted it, but I spent a week with a 10-speed auto, non-handling pack, and honestly, it was just like a GT. So this was really great to check out. Thanks to Ford for bringing it out, letting me drive it around the track a bunch. And with that, we'll conclude this video. Check out the 350 videos. You should still watch the Mach 1 videos because I do a back-to-back comparison between a Mach 1 and a 350 to see the differences. You can't buy a GT350 brand new anymore. You can buy a Mach 1 brand new. You can buy a GT500 brand new, but they're also like $30,000 more than what this car is. So, track capable? Absolutely. I just verified that, I guess. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.